Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can add effect to your videos or to your photos in CapCut. So it's super simple, it's a basic tutorial and I think this video is especially for those of you who are using CapCut for the first time. So if you already import, uh, if you already imported your images or your photos or videos or audios, just add the track and add the effect. Just select effect and select video effect or body effect and select your effect you like to add to your clip. For example, add shake effect and just for the option right here, strength, speed, and see for the result. Alright, so you can add more effect. Yes. Alright. That's how you can add effect in CapCut. See, I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe. If you have any questions, please leave in the comment section below. Thank you so much.